Hey, this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BBDA. We will take a look at the daily time frame. This one has been around for a long time. I've done many videos on it. The last one I think I did was back in February or March, can't remember quite when. But at all those times, it just kept feeling like, the price can never really bounce. It bounces, but then these moving averages knock it back down. But obviously, the past couple of days, more so today even than yesterday, things have finally begun to shift from what the norm was, basically since even beginning, in late 2012. So this day here was really important, but where I want to start the video off with is just talking about this day, not necessarily the candle, just by the importance of another strong day. Case in point being single days. If I move that over just a tad more, single strong days, is nothing new to the chart. There was one right there. There was one right there. There is another big nice day. Here was another big nice day. There was another one. So you get the point. However, the key thing is after each one of these big days, you can see what happened. I don't mean to state the obvious, but it is an important point. After every day, down. Big day, down. Big day, down. Big day, down. You get the point. However, which brings me back to the first point, after this big day, what has happened? If you think this is down, then you should probably head to the eye doctor, but a nice strong day. So finally this trend of one big day and then down has been broken, and that's very important. Not only has that little basic pattern been broken, it's broken a lot of the moving averages. So that's what I want to talk about, update some supports and resistances. So one of the newer levels of support that was put in today was right here. That's based off of this high from back on March 26th, and we'll call this 0049 is the technical level. We'll just call it 005. So 005 is one of the newest levels of support on the chart. The next level of support comes from this area over here. And the reason I'm going there, you can see a bunch of times acted as support, bunch of times acted as support, and then when the price finally did fall below it, you can see went up and then acted as resistance right there. This level is at 0045, so that's going to be another key area of support. The next area of support is going to be right down here, and we'll just call that, and I'm just kind of splitting the difference here, but we'll call it 0037. That'll be another area of support. And then the big overall support that needs to hold is going to be this purple line here. That's the 50-day simple moving average. This, you can see, has been in a downtrend for a long time. So as long as the price can remain above here, it will eventually begin to slope upwards. Actually, if you look real close, it has already turned upwards. So the longer the price now remains above it, the more this will begin to trend upwards. And that's what we want to see, upsloping moving averages, especially ones like the 50-day. In terms of resistance levels, this is pretty straightforward right now. The price is doing battle with this area right here. You can see quite a bit of price history here of the price knocking it down. We'll call that 0056. Actually, that's exactly right where it closed, so right at this area of resistance. And then after this level of resistance, next one is going to be up here. I do realize that intraday the price did break above it, but we care about where the close was since we're looking at the daily chart. And this level is up at 0064. So these two will be the next areas of resistance. I'll be back to update the chart, I'm sure, with any sort of closes above these levels. But for the time being, this is where the chart stands. So congrats to everybody that's been in this one for a while. Nice to see the chart finally break out of that pattern of one big day and then down from there. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to sign up for a newsletter up there. When you do that, you will receive a free ebook. And also, if you enjoyed the video and want to learn more about charting and how to use it in your strategy as a trader, I'd encourage you to click below there. Look at our video course, over 8.5 hours of education and teaching. It's been getting great third-party reviews, so I'd encourage you to check it out and make an investment into your education as a trader. One more time, this was BBDA. Thanks for listening.